Every affiliate manager says they are using AI, but very few are actually using it in a way that moves revenue. And the reason is simple. Affiliate management is not like other marketing jobs. You are juggling recruitment, partner quality, compliance, fraud monitoring, reporting, payouts, outreach, optimization, and constant pressure to scale faster without adding headcount. Most AI advice completely ignores that reality. It is written for marketers, not for affiliate operators. And that is why most affiliate teams are still stuck doing manual work that should have disappeared a year ago. The good news is that AI is finally becoming genuinely useful for affiliate programs. AI can now enable affiliate teams to recruit partners faster, spot fraud earlier, scale communication without sounding like a bot, and make better optimization decisions with less manual analysis. In this video, we will be breaking down the practical AI workflows that affiliate managers and partnership teams are actually using in 2026. Real use cases that save time, protect margin, and help programs scale. All right, now recruiting affiliates is one of the highest impact activities in your program. It is also one of the biggest time drains. Most teams are still doing it the hard way by scrolling through creator profiles, checking traffic quality, reviewing engagement, and trying to figure out whether an affiliate can actually drive incremental revenue, one partner at a time. And the bigger your program gets, the worse this becomes. Because now you are not just looking for affiliates. You are filtering out low-quality traffic, coupon dependency, fake engagement, brand risk, and partners that look good on paper but never produce meaningful value. This is where AI becomes genuinely useful. Not by replacing affiliate managers, but by eliminating the repetitive analysis work that slows them down. Instead of spending hours vetting potential partners one by one, you can use AI to analyze dozens of profiles in minutes. Give it your criteria, your niche, the kind of audience you are looking for, and ask it to evaluate whether a creator is a good fit. It can scan their content, assess their engagement patterns, and tell you whether their audience actually aligns with your product. Even better, AI can surface micro-influencers and niche creators who would never show up in a traditional search but have exactly the kind of engaged, trusting audience that converts. You can take it to the next level by creating an AI agent to search for new prospects daily and send you a list for manual approval. You are not just finding more affiliates, you are finding better ones faster. Communicating with your affiliate base is another area where AI can save you hours, but there is a right way and a very wrong way to do it. A lot of affiliate managers use AI to blast out fake personalized messages at scale, and affiliates can tell immediately. The smarter move is to use AI to build message frameworks tailored to different segments of your affiliate base. Think about it. A new affiliate joining your program needs something completely different from a top performer who has been with you for 2 years. And an inactive affiliate who has not posted your link in 3 months needs a different message entirely. AI can help you craft thoughtful, value-packed communications for each of those segments without you writing every single one from scratch. For new affiliates, clear onboarding guidance and quick wins to get them started. For established affiliates, advanced strategies, exclusive opportunities, and early access to new offers. For inactive affiliates, a fresh angle, a new creative, or a reminder of what is working for others in the program. Your affiliates will appreciate receiving something actually useful far more than they will notice whether the message includes their name. Let's talk about your program data, because most affiliate managers are sitting on a goldmine of insights they never actually use. The problem is not the data. The problem is that pulling meaningful insight out of it manually takes forever, and most teams do not have a dedicated analyst sitting around waiting to help. AI fixes that. Instead of spending hours slicing and dicing your reports, you can just ask a question. Which traffic sources are generating the highest conversion rates? Which affiliates are trending up this month, and which ones are quietly declining? When do my campaigns typically perform best, and what should I be doing differently right now? Ask your AI tool to analyze your campaign data, and it will surface patterns and answers that would have taken you hours to find on your own. And the reason this is now possible in a much deeper way than before comes down to something called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. MCP is what allows your affiliate management platform to connect directly to AI tools like Claude. Instead of manually exporting data and pasting it into a chat window, your AI can pull live information straight from your program and answer questions about it in real time. No exports, no copy pasting, just answers. If you want to see exactly how to set this up and 5 real use cases of how affiliate managers are using it, we made a full video on it and it is linked in the description below. But MCP is just one piece of what AI can do inside of your affiliate platform. The platforms that are actually building AI into their core workflows are going further than that. Take postback configuration. For most affiliate managers, setting up postbacks correctly is one of those tasks that looks simple until it is not. One wrong parameter, and you are misattributing conversions, losing data, or chasing tracking issues for days. AI-powered Postback Assistant walks you through the configuration step by step, identifies the exact parameters your tracking setup requires, and eliminates the guesswork that causes misfires and attribution gaps before they happen. Then there is the commission structure. Most affiliate managers set commissions based on gut feel or what competitors are doing. A commission advisor changes that entirely. It analyzes your vertical, your conversion types, and your actual unit economics, and outputs a commission structure built around your specific numbers rather than industry averages. That is the difference between a payout model that attracts good affiliates and one that quietly eats your margin. And for the bigger picture, revenue intelligence takes all of your raw affiliate data and turns it into actual decisions. Partner performance, channel ROI, and untapped growth opportunities that are hiding in your numbers right now but would take hours to surface manually. Instead of staring at a dashboard trying to figure out what it means, you get clear signals on where to focus and what to do next. This is not just for large teams with big budgets. This is actually where smaller, leaner affiliate teams gain the most, because they can now make data-driven decisions without needing to hire someone just to read the numbers. Trackdesk has all of these built in. If you want to see it in action, the link is in the description below. And the fourth area is something most affiliate managers overlook completely: building content for your affiliates to actually use. Your affiliates know what your product does. They are excited about it. But turning that excitement into a constant stream of high-quality promotional content is genuinely hard work, and most of them are not doing it as consistently as you need them to. Waiting for them to figure it out on their own is a losing strategy. The best affiliate managers do the work for their affiliates. They use AI to build content templates your affiliates can actually use, such as social post frameworks, email structures, blog outlines with suggested angles, and calls to action baked in. This gives your affiliates a strong starting point that still leaves plenty of room for their own voice and style. Some teams even go as far as building AI agents that scrape their internal Slack channels, pull the latest product updates, and automatically put together a summary their affiliates can use in their content. With this automation, your affiliates always have something fresh to promote, and you won't have to lift a finger to make it happen. When you do this well, 2 things happen. Your affiliates promote you more consistently because the barrier to creating content just got a lot lower. And your brand shows up more cohesively across channels because everyone is working from a solid foundation instead of winging it. Build a few variations so your affiliate base is not all posting the exact same thing, and you have a system that runs itself. AI is not going to run your affiliate program for you, but it will handle a surprisingly large chunk of the work you are doing manually right now. The affiliate managers pulling ahead in 2026 are not working harder than everyone else. They have just stopped doing manually what a machine can do in minutes. Start with one of these 4 areas, whichever feels like the biggest time sink for you right now, and build from there. If this video was useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you do not miss what comes next. And if you want to go deeper on building a high-performing affiliate program, the video on screen right now is exactly where to go next. I'll see you in the next one.